developers will often release theme updates that include new features or bug fixes. Many themes offer automatic updates, but if you've installed apps like Wholesale Club that require code changes in your theme, it's important to manually update your theme. Here's how to do it. First, contact your theme developer. To manually update your theme, you'll need to contact your theme developer and obtain the latest version of your theme. You can then upload the updated version into your admin. Remember, before checking for updates or uploading a new theme, make sure to make a backup of your current theme first. Next, upload and customize your updated theme. If you want to replicate the style of your previous version, your theme developer may be able to assist. Now it's time for the Wholesale Club reinstall. Once you've uploaded and customized your new theme copy, run Wholesale Club's theme setup tool to install the app, making sure to select your new theme. This will create an exact copy of your updated theme and install Wholesale Club on that copy. Remember, make sure the theme copy with Wholesale Club installed is using a page cart. Wholesale Club is not compatible with Ajax carts or drawer carts. Don't forget to save. For more help, check out the Help Center, the Wholesale Club demo store, or email into support. Happy selling!